Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog, and I haven't been doing vlogs a lot because what'd you get?
Beach decoration.
Where are we gonna put it?
I don't know, it's up to you. You can hang it on the wall.
You can? Where to put that? You should put it right here. Right here.
No, it won't stay there.
Why?
Oh, well, maybe I can do it together. Let's see. Yeah, I can put it there. You like it?
Yeah.
Seashells?
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was cool. Oh, $2.
Oh, wow. That must be expensive.
A Twinkie machine.
How much does that cost?
Hmm? I can make chocolate cakes.
Trash.
I can make chocolate cakes.
So we're going to St. Peter's, which has like rocks everywhere. Apparently there's a surprise in the trunk, which he just said can't melt.
I don't think it can.
Is it food?
Not really.
How would it
Could be considered food, but it's not food.
considered
It's
food?
not something we'd eat. It's not something we're going to eat.
Is it edible?
Maybe a little bit of it.
What? What? I'm so confused.
You can buy something in the grocery store with the same name as it. But we're not going to eat it.
I know, I'll just see when we get there.
St. Peter's.
St. Peter's is closed.
Yeah.
Wow.
I told you I thought it was going to be closed. Remember I told you because of flooding?
Actually, no, I don't remember you saying.
Remember, I got home last night.
No, I know. I remember you telling me about it being flooded, but I know you said it was going to be closed.
I said, I think St. Peter's is off limits because it's underwater.
Well, that makes it even better.
Well, we're not allowed there.
We can make ourselves allowed there. Well, what's on the bridge?
Let's go see.
Are we allowed here?
Yes, it's a park. Yeah, it is flooded. It wasn't
How?
as bad as it was before, but look at it.
I can't. Your big body is in the way.
This is why you're not allowed to St. Pete's.
Why not?
The other time when in 2010, the water was all the way up to here. That's great.
Wanna go swimming? Wanna get a pool floaty?
Yeah.
I mean, why not? That'd be cool. We would just go on a pool floaty and just go around and around. Oh my god. Oh, what?
Curry kept it under. That's why people.
Bye,
drown.
stick. How deep is that?
Right now it's probably like up to my knees.
Wow. Dirty water. There's a thing called blurry face on the bridge. See it? Alright, what's in the trunk?
Let's see when we get home.
Home? Fine. What kind of a name is Texas Toast?
Ooh, really?
What?
Thank you. All
No.
right.
What's the surprise? Well. What?
Take it upstairs.
Alright, what the heck is this thing? What is it?
Salt rock. You really get. You wanted me to buy one at Walmart.
Oh. Well, how is that edible?
Salt.
Well, I mean, you dropped something. So we set up this like Himalayan salt lamp or something. What is it supposed to do?
Supposed to give you good dreams, supposed to make the air better for sleeping. Supposed to take all the toxins out of the air. This is supposed to, come on.
I have an extra ingredient for your butter.
Come on, don't.
Yes! The Bean Boozled is here! That means we're doing it tomorrow. Tomorrow, we're doing it.
Get it out of the heat.
Yes, we got the Bean Boozled. Not a lot of people has it. We ordered it like 2 weeks ago or something.
Jelly Belly.
Yeah, it costs like $20. Like they're not in stores yet. So we're like doing the very first video of the Bean Boozled newest edition. Oh wow. Special. Oh what? We have 2 of them?
Yeah, it was a 2-pack. That's why it was so much.
Oh. Okay. I guess we're going to be eating a lot. See the flavor?
Yeah, we're selling for $20.
Want to see the flavors?
No.
You don't want to see them?
We're gonna sell one for $20.
No, we're not. Hey. Hey. It's not bubble wrap.
No, they made that illegal.
How dare they? How dare they make that illegal? But we got the newest edition. Pop it! Yay! Can you do this?
No.
Ow, it's hot.
Yeah. That was my scratch.
Also slippery. Look how grown that is. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
I've never.
Look at these things.
Ew. That's gross. Everything is just overgrown.
What the hell are they?
I don't know.
Like cucumbers.
Ew. Look, new stuff. I didn't know new things can grow. Can it?
Yeah.
What's that smell? We should get a pooled floaty and go down this river.
Well, you can when after it rains like that.
Well, we should have. Except we'd be like extremely dirty from the dirty
Yeah, we smell
dirt
fish.
water. There's no fish in there. Far
There
dead.
are.
There's a weird. Yeah, I hear it. What is that bubble noise? Ew, there's like a giant hole there though.
Mm-hmm. Let me see.
What is that? No, don't jump down there. Don't. I wouldn't even be able to jump down there.
I'm not gonna jump. I'm gonna step on the vines.
Do you see anything? Is there any bubbles?
It's right over there.
Really?
There's an animal over there too.
Wait, really?
It's a bird's nest.
What the heck? How am I supposed to?
Here, step on the big one.
Okay, I got down here. What's this weird bubble noise?
Oh, sorry. It's right there. I think it's the drain from the pond.
I don't see any bubbles.
It's right there. See the water?
I mean, I see it, but
And then right there behind it, see those trees there? There's a bird that keeps flying up and down there.
really?
Here, you want me to scare it?
No. All right. Oh God, how are we gonna get up?
Put it right there.
No. Oh God. How?
Here, let me go. Oh, I just gotta.
You hit your head on a stick.
Yeah, I probably got a tick on my head.
All right, after this, we're definitely gonna have to check for ticks. Ugh. Do I look like I have any ticks on me?
Nah. I don't think you see him that quick.
What is it?
It looks like a pelican. Look at the big beak.
What's it doing here?
It eats little fishies.
How many are there here in this area?
I don't know. See the tongue?
No. Alright, let's leave.
Alright, here we go.
What is he gonna do? Just drop the snake in? This guy has like the most brilliant plan. He's gonna put a snake. Alright, let me see your beautiful plan.
I'm just gonna drop it in. Then it grows and people see it.
Alright, let's see this beautiful plan.
That's it. By tomorrow it'll be 6 times bigger.
I doubt that. It's always like, it only grows like probably a centimeter and that's it. We have a little dilemma here. It's a swamp area. Hey, we should come here barefoot one day.
Oh god.
It would just be like the beach.
Oh shit.
Oh no, what do we do? We're trapped by a swamp. Ew. Ew. Is that what you would call a swamp?
Yeah.
Hey, we found a penny. That would have been good with the idea of.
That's a nickel. Look at the squirrel hanging sideways on it.
I had the idea of doing a video where we try to find as many pennies as possible in one day. Hey, look, there's more.
A dime.
We just got oh, wait. Oh, there's glass here too.
Mm-hmm.
You see, there's glass here. There's a bottle cap, and there's rocks too. How dare they drop rocks here? How did we find all this money? No,
I'm finding money.
we're rich. Is there any more?
Oh, is that actually an old one?
Wait, really?
Oh, it's corroded.
I think we just found like a really old coin. That's cool. We're rich. I see a lot of glass.
Yeah, no.
Now it's like a full-on treasure hunt now. Cause you know we're poor.
Oh.
What? What?
It dripped on my head.
Something dripped on your head.
Hope it wasn't sick.
I don't see anything on your neck.
Look on my back. It dripped here and went there. Nothing?
No, I don't. It was probably just sweat. Now,
It's called the tree. It wouldn't stop.
now I want to try to look for more like stuff here. What the heck is that?
I don't know. I don't want to know.
Okay, we just found like 3. That one, they look.
Dime, a nickel, and I don't know what the hell this is. But it's whatever it is part broken. It looks like money, but it's light as a feather.
Maybe it's a button.
It could be too.
Huh. Who knows? Maybe we found like something that's like worth us $10,000. Sweaty?
I was actually gonna order a metal detector and climb up the St. Peter's, but from the road up the steep hill. There's a few people slide down and use the wall.
You're gonna be excited for the new ones. Tasty. Spoiled milk, dead fish. We are like the only people to have this.
Probably.
So the new flavors are stink bug, toasted marshmallow, dirty dishwater.
That's a new one?
Yeah, dirty dishwater.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, imagine they made Oreo Boozled.
No.
One was birthday cake and one was...
Oh yeah, like the Oreo cream is like really bad.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like one is birthday cake and one is stink bug.
They're not fully clean at all. What is that one?
I have no idea.
That looks really... Oh, that looks like just a regular penny.
I would think so, but feel it.
I don't want to touch it.
It's not a penny. Oh, actually, yeah, it is.
How old is it? It looks like it's 200 years old. Though I doubt it is. It looks like a really dirty penny. Maybe we should like take it somewhere that like looks at coins.
Well, this is a penny.
Yeah, but how old is it? Like, wouldn't it be worth a lot more if it's like really old?
It's not even a wheat penny, so it's not that old. They were just outside. They're probably just in the mud for a while.
But what if they were in the mud for years, hundreds of years?
No, they were. That one was in dog poop.
Why would you smell it?
I smell dog poop.
Don't smell pennies found in dirt near an apartment building. Especially.
This is the only one I cannot tell for sure.
Looks like mold.
Can't see it. We gotta wait till daylight.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you're brand new. Bye.